Okay, Art, I've got your 2000 on the bench. We're in AM mode and RF power's all the way down. This is the initial check as is. So it should be 27205. It's 2056, so it's off a little bit on AM frequency, quite a bit. RF power, it's a 100-watt slug, so we're reading the bottom scale and peak. Keying about 2 watts. Low, doing about 22. Now we'll flip over to sideband, lower sideband. I'll flip the frequency counter on for lower sideband. Key her up, see what we got. Should be 205. It's 2059. Lower sideband's off quite a bit. Let's go to upper sideband. Upper sideband's off too, 2055. Wattage wise, doing about 22 watts on sideband. So power looks okay. It's got a couple segments out here on the frequency counter, and one of the meter lights is out. So this is the before, and I'll give you a video after I'm done.